What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Tonight we're going to be doing the IMPI brake system. Well, I'm going to be doing what I can in the rear. Most of it's custom, what I'm going to be doing inside the car, but I'm going to try to use as many pieces as I can since I have this kit. In the back, I know I can run some pieces from this. In the front, I can run some pieces, but connecting to my new Willwood brake system and clutch system, I'm going to be making custom lines coming from the front to the back. So let's go ahead and get going on this. This is the MP part number 986993-B. It's a brake line kit for a 69 to 77 Beetle. So it should have everything if you have a stock setup. I haven't actually opened it up and actually used one of these before, so we'll see what we have. So let's get going on the car. Alright, first off, guys, I want to just let you guys know it's best to get a good brake wrench. And what I mean by that, it's not an open-end wrench. It actually comes back on that last side a little bit. What it does is it allows you to lock into the nut a little bit tighter so you can get some more pressure on it. It won't slip off and strip the corners. That happens a lot right on the edges, especially with these type. Okay, if you do go with this system, those are 10mm wrenches, but like I said, I recommend getting some of these. They're brake line wrenches. Just goes right over and locks on. So let's go ahead and tear it down. When I first started, I was thinking I was going to do a soft line from here to there, and then I realized, well, that would be better if that was hard lined and the soft line over there. Like I said, originally I was going to do soft line there and here, but I figured it'll be cleaner if all this is hard line and then tuck the soft line underneath. So alright, guys, so originally when I first did this, I put a soft line here. I was going to put a soft line here and there. After I got it all together, I realized I should have put a hard line here and a soft line just over there where it flexes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove this guy, hard line it to there, and then soft line over to that last connection. I'll do that for both sides tonight, and then that will be the end of the video tonight. I'll get back to it another evening and finish up the last little bits. So with this kit, it comes with multiple sizes. I think what I'm going to do is use these two, since they're the two longest ones, for both left and right, and then I'll use that shorter one to tie in from, I don't know if you can see it right there. It comes up and over that guy and then ties into a T, which I got a new T, and I'll be replacing that as well. So let's go ahead and see what we can get replaced tonight. Also forgot to mention, there's a couple other tools you're going to want to get. This is a flaring tool, so after you cut it, you can flare the edge so it looks like this. What that does, let's see if I can focus. What that does, allows you to tighten this nut down, and that will seat against the other side of the connection. Okay. Also, one other good tool is a bender. This stuff should bend really easily, so you shouldn't need a wrench on it, but if you do, this has the attachment to put a wrench on it to tighten it down. So let's go ahead and tear into it. It looks like I need another one of these type of fittings so that I can clip this guy on and lock it on on both sides. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna need 2 female fittings, not a male fitting. And the reason for that is so I can put a female here and a female here, and then I can tie in the rest. So it looks like I'm gonna just need to get an adapter for this guy, and we'll be golden. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get this guy ran over to there, and I'll put this guy in here for now. Once I get the adapter on this guy, I'll tie it in later. So let's keep going. so I've got to remove that T piece there. I already have the line that goes over to the passenger side and the line removed that goes inside. And I'm going to replace it with this new T. The only reason I was going to replace this because I was having troubles getting those things unscrewed from that T. And I figured, you know what, it's just easier just to replace it, put the new lines into a new piece, and it'll look a lot cleaner as well. So let me get a wrench on that guy and put this thing in its place. Then I could finish plumbing from here to there, and then from this guy over to the passenger side. Once that's done, then I can focus on trying to get it into the vehicle and all the way up. Now, being a full custom brake line job, I didn't want to use the old lines. I wanted to put all brand new lines in. So that's where we're at. Let's go ahead and get that piece removed and this new guy on. guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight we got the rear end of a Night Owl plumbed, so I just got to get the rest of it plumbed from the back forward. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Pretty clean job. So thanks guys for watching. Remember, it's always built, not bought.